Hello there, welcome to my channel. This is Madhumita. On today's video, I'll show you this beautiful soft cut crease eye look with red glittery eyeliner. So if you want to know how I created this look, then keep watching. For eyeshadow, today I'm using Beauty Glazed Color Board 60 eyeshadow palette. So first I'm taking this color from this one palette and applying on my crease area. And slowly building the color. And as well blending it properly. Now I am taking this color and applying all over my eyelid. Then I am taking this color and applying on the edges and blending it properly. Now I am highlighting my brow bone using this shimmer color. Now using concealer I am cutting my crease. Then I am applying this shimmer orange color on the concealer. Then using this color I am blending cut crease edges. Now I am creating winged eyeliner using concealer and this color. Then I am applying this pressed glitter on the eyeliner. Now to prime my face, I am using Inside Cosmetics 3-in-1 primer and applying all over my face. Then for foundation, I am using NYX Professional Makeup Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation in shade beige and applying all over my face. Then using a damp beauty blender, I am blending this all. Now for concealer, I am using Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer Medium and applying under my eyes, around lips, around nose, on forehead, bridge of my nose and on chin. Then again blending this all. Now to set this all, I am using Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte Poreless Powder Porcelain. Then taking this eyeshadow, I am applying on my lower lash line. Then blending its edges using this color. Now I am tightlining my waterline using NYX Professional Wonder Pencil Light. Then I am applying Maybelline New York Volume Express Hypercurl Mascara on the lashes. Then I am highlighting my inner corner using this shimmer color. Now for blush, I am using this color and applying on my cheeks. Then to contour my face, I am using NYX Professional Makeup Matte Body Bronzer Deep Tan and applying on hairline, on jawline and on nose. Now to highlight my face, I am using the same color from the palette. Then for lipstick, first I am lining my lips using Tag Color Lock Long Lasting Lip Liner Upper Class. Then applying L18 Color Pop Matte Lip Color Red Spin. and then applying Sugar Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick Drop Dead Red on it. So this is the final look. Please let me know how is this look by commenting down. If you love this video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So see you on next video. Till then, stay safe, spread love. Bye bye.